Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoyed your weekend. Stay at your homes, follow SOPs, and take a healthy food. Students, get ready for today's work. As you know, today is Monday, 21st December 2020. It's your maths period, and today we will solve word problems and exercise 6b, question number 5. Students, open your countdown books. It's page number 173. Topic is word problems. Solve these, write complete statements. Number 1 is Yusuf betted for 4 hours 45 minutes in a match. How many minutes did he bet for? Number 2 is Kareem watches TV for 2 hours 15 minutes on Wednesday and 3 hours 35 minutes on Thursday. Altogether, how many minutes does he watch TV on these 2 days? Students, today we will solve just 2 word problems of this chapter. Because in our syllabus just two are included, so we will do just two word problems. Students, now open your notebooks and maintain your pages star margin lines on both sides of the page. Write classwork Monday, 21st December, 2020. Topic is word problems. It's page number 173. Write exercise. Solve these. Write complete statements. Underline both topic and exercise with color. After that, write question number 1. Complete statement. Yusuf betted for 4 hours 45 minutes in a match. How many minutes did he bet for? Look at the question, students. They are given Yusuf betted for 4 hours and 45 minutes in a match. And we have to write how many total minutes did he bet for. First of all, look at this. Here we have 4 hours and 45 minutes. It means we convert hours into minutes. Students, now we will write solution. Yusuf betted in match. We write here Yusuf betted, which is given in the question. Yusuf betted in match. How many? It's 4 hours and 45 minutes. 4 hours and 45 minutes. Now students, as you know, in 1 hour, how many minutes? It's 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to, as you know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Students, now what we have to find out, how many minutes did he bet for? Total minutes he betted. Total minutes he betted. We find out total minutes he bet. That is, first we write here it's 4 hours and 45 minutes. Now we convert hours into minutes, so we write 4 multiplied by 60 because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Now plus this 45 minutes. Now look at this. 400 and 46 are 24. It's 240 minutes plus 45 minutes. Students, you will also draw a line on the side of the page and do rough work on the side. Now we multiply 60 with 4. Look at this. It's 400 and 46 are 24. So the answer is 240 minutes. Now we will add 240 and 45. It's 240 and 45. 0 plus 5 it's 5. 4 plus 4 it's 8. And 2 as it is. So the answer is 285 minutes. What is answer? 285 minutes. It means total minutes he batted is 285 minutes. Now students, turn your pages and write statement of question number 2, that is Green watches TV for 2 hours 15 minutes on Wednesday and 3 hours 15 minutes on Thursday. Altogether, how many minutes does he watch TV on 2 days? Now if we write solution, now we write Green watches TV on Wednesday, which is given, that is 2 hours and 15 minutes. Now we write here solution, it is Green watches TV on Wednesday, which is 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's 2 hours and 15 minutes. Students, look at this. Altogether, how many minutes? What they are asking in the question, how many total minutes? And now, first of all, what we will do, we will convert this hour into minutes. And as you know, students, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we multiply 2 with 60. It's minutes plus these 15 minutes. Now, what is this? 200 and 26 are 12. It's 120 minutes plus 15 minutes. You will also do rough work on the side of the page. Now we multiply 60 with 2. It's 200 and 6 2s are 12. So the answer is 120. Now we will add 120 and 15. Is 0 plus 5? 5. 2 plus 1, it's 3 and 1 as it is. So the answer is 135 minutes. It means on Wednesday he watches TV 135 minutes. Now students, look at this. Cream watches TV on Wednesday and 3 hours and 35 minutes on Thursday. Now we find out Cream. We write same statement. Cream watches TV on Thursday. Now it's on Thursday. How many hours and minutes? It's 3 hours and 35 minutes. 3 hours and 35 minutes. Again, we convert hours into minutes. So we multiply 3 with 60 because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Now again plus 35 minutes. Now it's 300 and 36 are 18 minutes, 180 minutes. Now look at this. We will solve it. It's 60 with, we multiply it with 3. It's 300 and 36 are 18. So the answer is 180 minutes plus 35 minutes. Now we will add it. It's 180 plus 35. Now we will add it. 0 plus 5, it's 5. 8 plus 3, it's 11. So we write 1 here and 1 will be carry over here. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 215 minutes. So students, Cream watches TV on Thursday it's 215 minutes. It's 215 minutes. Now, altogether, how many minutes does he watch TV on these 2 days? Altogether means we will add Cream watches TV on Wednesday and on Thursday we will add these minutes. It's 135 minutes and 215 minutes. Students, now we find the answer. Total minutes he watches TV on 2 days. Okay, we will add it's 135 minutes and 215 minutes. So we write here total minutes. It's total minutes He watches TV. On 2 days, that is 135 minutes and plus 215 minutes. Now we will add it. On the rough side, we will add it's 135 and 215. Altogether means we do addition. We will add these two. It's 5 plus 5, it's 10. So we write 0 here and 1 will be carry over here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we write 5 here and it's 2 plus 1 it's 3. So the answer is 350 minutes. How many total minutes? It means 350 minutes. On 2 days he watches TV 350 minutes. So students, this is the answer of our second question. I hope you will understand both these word problems and do it by yourself. This is your classwork. Students, now open page number 177. It's exercise 6B. Question number 5 is solve the following sums in your notebooks. You will maintain your pages. Write homework Monday, 21st December, 2020. Topic is time. It's exercise 6B. Question number 5 is solve the following sums. Hours and minutes are given. We will add it. Okay. Look at this. We always start from the right side. From the one side. Look at this. It's 0 plus 0. 0. 4 plus 1 it's 5. Now 0 plus 2 it's 2 and 1 as it is. So the answer is 12 hours and 50 minutes. 12 hours and 50 minutes. Now B part is it's 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 3 it's again 5. 2 plus 3 it's 5. So the answer is 5 hours and 55 minutes. 5 hours and 55 minutes. Students, you will maintain your pages same like this and solve C and D part by yourself. Okay. Do your work neatly, and if you have any question you can ask me. Okay. Do your work and send me. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.